Alright, I'm at the front of the Mercure Hotel in Sanur, and here is the ocean, beautiful side of the Sanur. And last time here was the broken, behind is my bike, so today I'm gonna drive my bike a little bit around the Sanur, this area. Here is the empty land, I don't know, forever empty land. Last time when I was here, this is the between the Mercure Hotel and Mertasari, this side of the path was broken, but now they fixed it. I'm gonna show you a little bit around, and also a little bit of the Mercure Hotel because many requests about that. Yo, what's up? All right, entering the Mercure Hotel, and here is the Genius Cafe. It's open, always open actually, because it belongs to the hotel, and they have many promos and even people are around. But here we go, this is for everyone who are missing Mercure Hotel. This is for you. This is also a very old hotel, one of the oldest in Bali. Unfortunately, at the moment, it looks very not abandoned, but looks very sad. Like I don't think so as anyone staying here, and also the maintenance of the gardens and bungalows, everything looks a little bit like abandoned, left over. So looks pretty sad, but there's already Prama suits, but everything closed, as you see. And here is the manga lady, as always. Surf school in Sanur, and this restaurant in the Prama Sanur is closed. And Bamboo Bar, I think is open, but even it's open, it's very quiet. Or somebody work on the laptop, actually, that's cool. But after that, really not much is happening here. I'll just quickly, this is called co-working hub. Now quickly show you how it looks situation in the Prama hotel. I think I will drive a little bit inside. I think will be no problem, right? Anyway, that's how it looks, the situation here in the hotel. Very quiet indeed. Doggo even walking on the hotel. Manga lady one more time, she never give up. Hello, never give up, strong woman in Sanur. All right, if you're gonna go, there is the Mercure Hotel. Here is some Bakso guy on the motorbike. Somebody have a very nice house here, and yeah, this is very for many of you actually familiar area of Sanur. However, currently it's very deserted. Here is the, yo, what's up? How you doing? That's my landlord. This is the Gardenia, also nice place. Here also quite famous corner, Sudamala Hotel. Here Beach Breeze, Warung, Sudamala, and here famous Baby Monkeys. It's not my warung, somebody suggests it's my warung, no? Anyway, closed. One more shot, Baby Monkeys. Unfortunately closed for 1.5 years. Pretty sad landscape. Around here was the reggae bar, reggae restaurant, warung, quite affordable food, nasi goreng, simple food, BLT sandwich. Unfortunately everything here is closed. Bella Italia is open only here. Entrance to the Prama Sanur. If you miss the hotel, also legendary place. Here some kids playing around. Here is the small road access to the beach, by the way, if you interested. But anyway, all the warungs here remains totally closed. Patio, that's a nice warung open. Here used to be the market. Hello. And popular market, many expats buying here, but it's also not that busy today. All right, guys, this is the center of Sanur here, and even some warung is open. Here used to be a blue corner, but it's already changed into some Sushi Tokyo. And meanwhile, I'm gonna show you a little bit of Danuoposo Street. Big meat fish, I think it's closed. Some 1 yard, and here is the fire station. Fire station is open, and even somebody is inside. All right, and here some bars with some expats usually driving big bikes open, and it's quite busy actually. So, yo, and people recognizing me. I think that's really cool. All right, one more shot of the bars open and ladies around. Utama Spice. I think the fellas was not really happy as I record them. They have a big bike, so I have to drive faster my bike. I'm joking. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Sanurian lowers. This is the center of Sanur. And here is world famous Massimo, because this is probably the most famous Italian restaurant in Bali so far. But it's not that busy today. But still some people enjoying the gelato ice creams. And here is some new warung also open next door. How about the Trattoria Sanur here? It's open, lovely waiter waiting for some people, and doggo. Hello! And Apaka bar. Quite many nice cars around parked. Yo, what's up? It's good to see people, yo. Electric scooters. Do you remember still when I used to have one like this? Here is the French baguette. I already showed once around here. New place, many expats like this place, and here is the sandwich bar. After 4 or 5 they have a happy hour, 50% Ryoshi. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Peaceful life in Sanur. Massage shop here, and also here is the Soul in the Ball, unfortunately currently closed. All right, and here is the construction of something what will be similar to the Bali collection, like in Nusa Dua, but in Sanur, just at the front of the Hyatt hotel. I hear that belongs to the Hyatt anyway. It's already big land, it's already parking area prepared, and I don't know, waiting what's gonna be here. Warungs or recreation center, I don't know. I will mention about that. However, doggo's really not happy over this. I don't know what's going on. I will cycling more. And quick shot to the entrance to the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Bali, in Sanur. This hotel is going pretty well, no problems at all. And here, remember, was the forest, but it's gonna look like this. Maybe in the next month. Unfortunately, this damn bikes. Here is nice tree with the pinky purple thingy around. So decide to enter inside. Show you a little bit how does it look. So here will be something pretty impressive, but I'm still not sure what's gonna be here. Entrance and exit. Some local warungs, and here is the Paradise Cafe and Fitness Gym Center. This is kinda new. If you are interested. Maya Sanur Hotel. Pretty nice hotel in Sanur area, however, never stayed inside, but I've been once in the cafe a long time ago, and in general, life in Sanur looks like this. Here is the Ulu. Here is my favorite salon, barber. Yo, what's up? Barber and salon. And that's how it looks like. I already passed it, but at the front you are facing now into famous cafe Batu Jimbar. Unfortunately, doesn't look much optimistic. This restaurant is closed. I always forgot how to exactly call this name, and here is already the famous shop Hardy's. Long time ago Hardy's, now it's called Arta Sedana. Because I'm driving the bicycle, I will show you little bit around, at least from the parking area, how is the currently situation. Doesn't look that busy, right? And inside also, and the Kachu shop and parking area, a little bit bumpy here. Legendary coffee kiosk still open, nothing has changed, and the leather bag also still open. And here is some nice shop also with the accessories. Here is the nori, nice Japanese cuisine, quite affordable place. Really like the food. We really like the food, especially here. And some hotels, some restaurants around Ramayanas with swastika situation. Cafe Smorgas, if you miss this place. Very quiet, unfortunately. And here is Forchetta, the new Italian restaurant. I used to have the gelato here, and yeah, that's how it looks. The general situation here in Sanur, Jalan Tamblingan. And today is middle of September 2021. Just in case if you're watching this video from the future, probably you will curious when I record this video. Is also here's the Hanover Barber. I think they have a changing something. Another Pepito popular shop, La Gava Hotel. I think I call this properly right now, La Gava. And TheMonkeys, Sanur. The recording time is 4:30 p.m. weekday. And here is Casablanca, the most colorful place in Sanur, at least it used to be. Sala Bistro, also nice small restaurant. And the Swiss Bell, Watu Jimbar Hotel. It's open. Week Parrot, it's closed, unfortunately. And here is the Gria Santrian. Unfortunately, due to PPKM, whatever it is, unfortunately still closed. We wanted to go if we need to day pass, enjoy the pool. Unfortunately, it's not possible at the moment. And that's how it looks, the area of Starbucks. Starbucks also never closed, prospering as usual. However, the Soya restaurant here doesn't look that optimistic. And here beautiful ladies cleaning. Entrance to the Tanjung Sari Hotel. Nice alley with the coconut trees. Probably long time ago, like 60-70 years ago, Sanur looked like this. A lot of palm trees. Some ladies, massage ladies, but doing the offerings, Bali live. Hello. Here is the Art Hotel, unfortunately closed already for a very long time, and nobody knows when it will be open or if will be open ever. And probably this one is the biggest mystery of development in Sanur so far. It's called 7 of Icons of Bali, or 7 Wonders. It's gonna be a mall and villas looking like this, like a modern version of Beach Walk with the pools and stuff like this. On the pictures looks beautiful, however the construction stopped already over 1 year ago, so I'm not sure if they ever gonna finish it. I hope so. It's not gonna be postponed. Here is already the office, looks nice, so hopefully they're gonna keep pushing it. Here you can rent the car if you want, or bike. However, I have a bad experience with them, so not really recommended. Long time ago when I was the tourist. My bank, that's a nice bank, Malaysian I think. Here is the some fitness gym open 24/7. Here used to be pharmacy, but it's bankruptcy. Somebody took over the building. And here is the Overdue Moon, one of my favorite cafes in Sanur so far. Alright guys, so I'm on the middle of the residential area between the Sindhu Night Market and the other side of the bypass. I never record here, I never film here, so comment below if you would be interested to see this area, because there are so many local houses, villas and also guest houses, so let me know. And I hope so you enjoy my new style of vlogging. Sometimes I want to drive my bicycle. I hope so you enjoyed. I can cover more area at the same time. It's more efficient than walking, and it's also, in my opinion, better than driving a motorbike or car, because it's more quiet, more natural. I hope so you enjoy. Comment below what do you think about all of these things. And meanwhile, that's it from me for today. And as I always, see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care, guys.